go. 3, 2, 1. Hello, everybody. Good evening. This is 9 p.m. The Maitri project of Match My Talent with Vasu Teksha today. So
Hello,
Vasu is right
everybody.
here.
Hello, Sonia. Yes.
Hello. Vasu is looking quiet right now, but I assure you, this is the last moment he will be quiet. Here onwards, I shall be quiet today for a change. But
Yes.
welcome, everybody. I know you're all watching from different parts of the country and the world, and all of you know Vasu. But I couldn't help calling Vasu for the Maitri project. It's very special on a personal note because I am your fan, Vasu. In a totally fan. Pankha.
Okay. Sonia, you have when you say on a personal note, you have to tell which note. Is it A or B or C or G?
And what is A,
Which
B,
note?
and C, and G? You have to teach me, explain me that first. You can't trap me like this. So
Yes.
that's how Vasu is. It's difficult to say a word without him putting in one and another. So I wonder how you make that awesome music with that Kurafati remark of yours. It's like two split personality.
What do you mean? It comes from the same creative space.
Well, yes, but these are like poles apart. One is Purafati Vasu, and then the other is this unusually musical Vasu. So Vasu,
Mhm.
before your fans on Instagram kill me, let me just go on Instagram and please join me there, and then we can
Yes.
chit chat.
Yes. Let us do that.
Let us.
I am ready.
I am live on Instagram. Ajao. Hello, everybody. Good evening. Welcome. This is the Maitri Project. Match My Talent is back here Saturday evening, and this is very special because Vasu is with us. Vasu Teksha. And he's gonna just join us in a second when he finds the Instagram button.
Yeah. I mean, I am open, but I can't see you on Instagram yet.
You have to see for Match My Talent. Match My Talent is live.
Of course. I am waiting for.
Match My Talent to show up,
Yes.
and it is not showing up.
Now I have gone directly. Yes. Yes. There.
See, you just open your eyes wider and send me a request and fly in here. There you go.
Just open your eyes
It's
wide.
never
Your
easy to
reply
talk to
delay
Vasu.
on Instagram.
What?
It's like few seconds later on Instagram.
Yeah, it's like me. And Facebook is like you.
Okay, so let me just then mute Instagram.
Okay. And there you are.
Ma'am.
Now
So
you're
let me
here and there.
now you can hear me on Instagram, right? Okay. Yep. Somebody, sorry to interrupt. Somebody is saying it's muted on FB. but somebody just messaged.
Okay. Okay. Better.
Yeah.
It starts to echo a bit, which is why I do that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna speak talking in a talk. Speak. What am I doing, Vasu? This is your effect. I'm going to stop talking in a bit, but Vasu, I have to ask you to introduce yourself because I can go on and on. But please help us know who are you, not the
Uh,
musician, but the person.
so Vasu as a person is very homebound. He's mm, very simple and at the same time very complicated. Simple in being, simple in my life, but in my head I'm very complicated, and it's it's difficult to take off the creative side of myself and just look at me as a person. I think the creativity and the madness comes along as a package. So either you take me, um, or you don't take me. If you don't like the creative madness side of me, then don't come to me. Otherwise, I'm very much a quiet person at home in general, and I love doing my chores all by myself. I love being with myself. I don't really like going outside too much. So I'm actually this whole lockdown time. I'm very selfishly enjoying it, and because I get to do all those things, all my creative stuff that I've been wanting to do. So otherwise, I am very, I would say, quirky, twisted, and at the same time, I don't have too many friends. I don't have like hundreds of friends. I know a lot of people, but I don't have many friends. But whomsoever I'm very close to, I'm really close to them, and they know it, and they are like really part of all my things that they know, and I am very secretive to a lot of people, and but I'm also very open to people who are very close to me. So yeah, so there is a, like you said, there are two different sides of me, and only I know which one comes at what time.
That's also a mystery.
Yes.
Like to figure out which side of Vasu is active right now, nobody else can figure that.
Yeah, because whether I'm active on Facebook now or on Instagram, I don't know.
So Vasu, I'm like, I'm itching right now to hear something from you. While I can never get enough of talking to you, you know that. But can we hear something from you, please?
Sure. So I will sing one song, which is a Kachi folk song. It is about welcoming the um, Guru, and here Das Narayan ji is actually welcoming his Sadguru. This one's called Vari Jau. Vari Jau re, Balhari Jau re, oh, Vari Jau re, Balhari Jau re, Mara Satgar Aangan aaya, main Vari Jau re, Mara Dil Ghar Aangan aaya, main Vari Jau re, Vari Jau re, Balhari Jau re, oh, Vari Jau re, Balhari Jau re, Mara Satgar Aangan aaya, main Vari Jau re, Mara Dil Ghar Aangan aaya, main Vari Jau re. सतगुरु आंगन आया गंगा गोमती नाया हो सतगुरु आंगन आया रे आया गंगा गोमती नाया मन निर्मल हो गई काया मैं वारी जाऊं रे मारा निर्मल हो गई काया मैं वारी जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे बलिहारी जाऊं रे हो वारी जाऊं रे बलिहारी जाऊं रे मन सतगर आंगन आया मैं वारी जाऊं रे मारा दिल घर आंगन आया मैं वारी जाऊं रे सतगुरु दर्शन बिना भाग नहीं कीना हो सतगुरु दर्शन बिना रे बिना भाग नहीं कीना मारा भरम करम सब चीना मैं वारी जाऊं रे मारा भरम करम सब चीना मैं वारी जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे बलिहारी जाऊं रे मन सतगर आंगन आया मैं वारी जाऊं रे दास नरण जस गायो चरण मसीस निमायो मो दास नरण जस गायो रे गायो चरण मसीस निमायो मन सतगुरु पार उतारो मैं वारी जाऊं रे मन सतगुरु पार उतारे मैं वारी जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे बलिहारी जाऊं रे हो वारी जाऊं रे बलिहारी जाऊं रे मारा सतगर आंगन आया मैं वारी जाऊं रे मारा दिल घर आंगन आया मैं वारी जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे बलिहारी जाऊं रे हो वारी जाऊं रे बलिहारी जाऊं रे मारा सतगर आंगन आया मैं वारी जाऊं रे मारा दिल घर आंगन आया मैं वारी जाऊं रे वारी जाऊं रे बलिहारी जाऊं रे हो वारी जाऊं रे बलिहारी जाऊं रे
Vasu, your energy is really, really captivating.
Thank you.
How did you perform the Kachi number?
क्योंकि ये अच्छी नंबर है
अच्छी नंबर है इसलिए और आप अच्छा कुछ भी कर सकते हो है ना
and जी
you can actually sing the song in any language
no, not really, but I do few languages, Kannada, Hindi. I think I can do little bit of Punjabi, little bit. I've tried Bengali. I can do Tamil. I can do which one? Telugu I can. Malayalam is like very tough. Kutchi, Gujarati is not so difficult. Rajasthani I would love to. Yeah, that's it.
Rajasthani you would love to as in
I really don't know the language, and I have not sung many songs in that, but I love the language. I love the syllables in it. It has a very good texture to the voice, because I feel, every language brings in a sense of rhythm and melody by themselves, like the language itself has. Like if you look at Tamil, there are a lot of Tamil rap and hip hop artists, because the language itself adds so much rhythm to their music. And if you see, Bengali has a lot of melody in them, a lot of roundedness in them. So each language has its own melody and rhythm to it. Like if you see a lot of Latin, there's it's got its own flavor to it. So it's nice to learn different languages through music, and then you get to know a lot about their culture as well.
Do you your the music that you have is always a mix, always, like it's either, it's like you're experimenting with different languages, or it's a genre which is getting mixed. Like what your most Swaratma is folk rock, you know, and so like folk is embedded in
Yeah.
your music, but then you experiment and mix it with a lot of other forms of music. So have you really learned anything classical, like you mix it with classical as well? Have you gone to school with any of them, or you've just been picking it up as you've grown?
So as a child, I was put into music even before whether I understood if I liked music or not, because as a kid growing up in Mysore, we were like in a middle class family where music is part of our growing up. Like you're sent into music just like you're sent into school. Like which parent thinks whether sending a child to school is a good thing or not? They just send the child to school. So like that, sending to music was as common as that. So I was just there in the music class when I was probably 8 or 9, and then I didn't like it because all the other students in the class were girls, and all my friends who are boys are playing cricket in the field next to the class. So I didn't like it. I didn't enjoy it so much, and learning it was even tougher. I hated practice. I hated learning it. So when I came to high school, I thought it was very uncool to learn classical music. And then I went to college. I studied fine arts, and then I picked up guitar because my brother had a guitar at home. And then I learned. Then I met few more musicians, like-minded musicians, who helped me kind of um, rekindle my creativity as a songwriter and a composer. They liked whatever stuff I did. So that's how I started experimenting with whatever I had learned. And along with that, I was also into theater. So a lot of folk music comes from there. And at a time when my voice was still like breaking or opening, I loved the folk style of open throated singing. So that's mostly how all of these came. And as I grew, I got to know other genres of music, whether it is reggae of Bob Marley or psychedelic rock of Pink Floyd, and rock through U2 and many other bands. So now I'm also experimenting a lot with hip hop and hip hop beats. Though I don't really sing hip hop, but I sing folk style with hip hop music. So yeah, so that's how I experiment all different genres. And also in my band, Swaratma, all the musicians who are there, they all come from their own musical um, styles and influences. So they bring in a lot of their influence, and that's how we form folk rock fusion. Though in Swaratma, we don't sing folk songs. Like what I did now is mostly like what I do on my own or with my collective, Vasu Dikshit collective. In Swaratma, we use folk elements, but we don't take folk songs and recreate it.
I think VDC, Vasu Dikshit Collective, you primarily started for this, you to come out with your own original experiments.
Yeah, because in Swaratma, I've been playing for, I mean, professionally now more than 12 years with Swaratma, and then I felt there are some songs and tunes that I had done, and but I had not brought it in the band. So I said I need to probably like focus on that and also experiment and fail and see what I can do, because as Swaratma we have already said what is it that we have defined ourselves. I need to break that for myself. I think that's an artist's quest to keep challenging and breaking and growing, pushing your boundaries.
And you do that beautifully, Vasu. You do that extremely beautifully. That
Thank
just
you.
reflects in this kind of music that you have, where nothing is repeating, nothing is what we heard it before. As you said, I
Thank
know
you.
I can not say very good things about lot of time. Okay.
Hear all good things from you.
Sorry, say that again.
Here is my chance to hear all the good things from you.
This is the only chance, Vasu.
Yes.
That's why it's the Mentary project. It's time for us to be friends for once.
Yes. Otherwise, you're only bitching about me.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That just comes from my being.
So let's not waste the time. Come on, please. Let's not waste this precious time.
Yeah. Let's not. So what can we hear from you now?
So I have a Kabir song, which is actually a song that is sung by Kumar Gandharvji, and there are different versions of the same song, and yeah, and this I particularly want to dedicate to you, Sonia ji.
One song dedicated to me in this lifetime.
नहीं हरवा हम कानुभवे हम कानुभवे नहीं हरवा नहीं हरवा हम कानुभवे हम कानुभवे नहीं हरवा नहीं हरवा नहीं हरवा नहीं हरवा साई की नगरी साई की नगरी परम अति सुंदर अति सुंदर यहाँ कोई जावे नावे यहाँ कोई जावे नावे चांद सूरज जा चांद सूरज या पवन ना पानी पवन ना पानी को संदेश पहुंचावे को संदेश पहुंचावे दर्द यहाँ दर्द यहाँ दर्द यहाँ साई को सुनावे नहीं हरवा नहीं हरवा नहीं हरवा नहीं हरवा जो यहाँ राह बतावे, जो यहाँ राह बतावे, कहता कबीरा 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 कहता कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो, सुनो भाई साधो, सपने प्रीतम सपने प्रीतम तपन 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 जिया की बुझावे नहरवा 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 हम कानु भावे, हम कानु भावे नहरवा 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 नहरवा।
Vasu, Vasu. Too beautiful. It's really,
Thank you.
really amazing. It's such an opportunity and so much fun to hear you. I always used to wonder before starting the Maitri project that I've always been the one to go to concerts because that experience matters.
Yeah.
That sound matters. And this is obviously not the same, not even close to it. But it's like some voice, some compositions, some souls touch you no matter what the medium is. And your music is just that. So good.
Thank you.
Getting greedy, can I ask you for more and more and more?
Yes, sure. I'm here for that.
Love. Thank you so much, Vasu. I will not say this at the end, the thank you for coming, but really, like, totally fun.
Yes. तो अभी क्या सुनना चाहेंगे आप?
See, I am a fan of Rahe Fakira.
You want to hear Rahe Fakira?
And I'm a fan of Ragi Tandira. But I mean, those are the two that I've always known. I've really been fan, but really your choice.
Okay, so let's do Rahe Fakira.
My date today. Oh my God. Lovely.
Okay, so this is a song from my band Swaratma, and then the latest album is called Rahe Fakira, and this is the title track, and it's written by Puneet Sharma, who's the lyricist from Mumbai. So this one goes out to my dear bandmates who are not there here with me. So,
but they're all such lovely people. That's
of
all
course.
too good.
This is called Rahe Fakira. जग रंगीला सब रंगीला तन रंगीला मस्त है, अब छबीला करके लीला, मन कबीला मस्त है, दिल का डमरू बज रहा है, रूह के पैगाम पे, चुप करके देखो बंदा चल पड़ा है राह पे, राह फकीरा, राह फकीरा, राह फकीरा, राह फकीरा, वही कलंदर, वही कबीरा, जिसके अंदर राह फकीरा। मन के अंदर मैं तो डूबा, दर्द मेरा धुल गया, चकली थोड़ी सी फकीरी, प्रेम मुझ में धुल गया, उड़ रहा हूँ अकल वाले कायदों को तोड़ के, मुझको खुद से ही मिली है अपने मन के मोड़ पे, राह फकीरा, राह फकीरा, राह फकीरा, राह फकीरा, मैं हूँ कलंदर, मैं हूँ कबीरा, मेरे ही अंदर राह फकीरा। राह फकीरा, राह फकीरा, राह फकीरा, राह फकीरा, मैं हूँ कलंदर, मैं हूँ कबीरा, मेरे ही अंदर राह फकीरा।
It, it can't end just now. You already finished. इतना ही था.
इतना ही है यार, और क्या है?
Oh God.
You know, just today somebody was telling me,
Hmm.
I made a new song, and then the person heard and he said, "अरे गाना खत्म हो गया." I was really just enjoying the song.
That's exactly.
Yeah, so it is just like, you know, when you spend time with your loved ones,
Yeah.
and then you feel, अरे time कैसे चला गया? I want to spend more time with them.
Yeah.
It's that feeling. So when you eat like really nice food, मतलब पेट भर गया है, but
मन नहीं भरता.
मन नहीं भरा, so
Yeah.
you feel like you want to eat more. So that
Your
feeling
music is that only.
So that feeling is a good feeling.
It is, but it's such a lingering feeling, you know, like this is going to end and you're going to go. This just now I was reading, Sachin was saying that hearing you live, Vasu, after such a long time, this is the craving and the lingering that you caused, Vasu. What's next? Can't stop.
Yeah. So I want to sing a song which I did very recently. In fact, at the time of this whole COVID lockdown.
Oh yeah, you told me you did a song that time. Wow.
Yes. It is a song called Ruk Ja.
Ruk Ja.
Ruk Ja. It is about stopping and about pausing and about taking a breath in and look deeper into ourselves. You know, So the lyrics is written by Nirmika Singh, who's a poet from Mumbai. So yeah, here it is. गूंजिए आवाज है, हमको भी एहसास है ना। गूंजिए आवाज है, हमको भी एहसास है ना, है ना, है ना, है ना। बुझ गए अल्फाज है, आसमान नाराज है ना, है ना, है ना, है ना। क्यों सिर फिरे जिद पे अड़ा है, क्यों मन चले तू मुड़ चला है। अब फुर्सतों में ही मजा है, रुक जा, थम जा, रुक जा जरा, थम जा। अब नहीं नादानियां, अब तू रुक जा, रुक जा ओ प्यारे, बह गई बेसब्रियां, अब तू रुक जा, रुक जा ओ प्यारे। बदले अंदाज है, नए नए से साज है ना, है ना, है ना, है ना। क्यों सिर फिरे जिद पे अड़ा है, क्यों मन चले तू मुड़ चला है। अब फुर्सतों में ही मजा है, रुक जा, थम जा, रुक जा जरा, थम जा, रुक जा जरा, थम जा।
Where did you release this? How come we missed it?
Oh, it's there on YouTube.
I mean, I saw it on your, I saw it in
Yeah.
the beginning, but that's where you launched it, and that's where it is.
Yeah, right now that's where it is. I have not it on any other platforms. Yeah, sooner or later it will be
Great.
there.
So this song is on Vasu's YouTube. So subscribe to that, and it's there. It's a
Yeah.
beautiful, beautiful song. Addictive, isn't? Anybody wants to rap us?
Anybody wants to क्या what?
Wrap up पूछा मैंने, wrap up. कोई बोर हो रहा हो जाना हो तो, like that.
Asmita
Just
is
my
saying
suggestions.
amazing end to the day.
No way. You are not going to get it that easy, Vasu Dikshit. So, Vasu, what drives you? You are such an understated artist. You're such a loved artist. Do you know how much people love you? Like, I mean, I really want to know. Do you know, like, how much people love your work? And you?
Yes, I know a lot of people like my music, but I know there is always room to improve and room to develop, and I really don't give much thought to being understated because I think when the doors have to open, it will open to wherever I'm supposed to. From nowhere, I'm here now. Talking to you on this project, where you have spoken to a lot of artists, and you've chosen me as well. So it's a journey, and it's I would say it's growth. Every day is growth, and even this at these times when this lockdown has happened, and you know how things are going, it's learning from me every day, and I look at sessions like these as an opportunity for me to reach out, and hoping that someday somewhere someone is listening and like my work, and some new doors open. So yeah, I know that a lot of people like me. I know a lot of people love my music, but that should not be the only reason for me to keep doing. My reason is also to see where it takes me, and how I can keep improving and learning and developing myself. And yeah, and I think what drives me is the the creativity and the fun you get after you create something. So for me, it's not about where my song is going and how many views are there, how many people have seen it, how many likes have I got. That's that's also something that I look up to, but I want to keep making. That's what drives me. And it's not about how many songs there are a lot of songs that I am doing now, but they're not released. For me, it's just about making those songs and see what I can I um, what do you say, acquire from that. What is it that I get from this process? And that's in a way is my sadhana, and it's my search, and it's my journey. So it's really not about um, I know that no, I understand that, yes, people like me, and that's something is nice, is a nice feeling, but that's not really what keeps driving me.
And which is why I know you say that also very humbly, but really I think that is why you're able to create the kind of music that you create, because you're not creating it for anybody else. You're not creating for a specific anybody, any market, anything that will sell or will work. That's not how you create your music. You create your music because, like you said, challenging yourself and learning from it, which
Yeah.
is why every piece that you do is so different. And I know, having visited your studio in Bangalore many years back again, there was so much that you guys just showed me in those couple of hours of, this is in the making, this is in the making, this is in the making. Like, there's some, I mean, it's very less of your work that we actually get to see. Whatever you release is what we get to see, which is like really modest of you to do that, but you're creating so much more. I wish there was a way, and a safer way. I mean, I know for a musician it is also, it's your set. I wish that we could develop some very safer ways for us to also enjoy what you're creating. And you may release it, not release it, but that part of how you're thinking, where you're coming from, is also so engrossing. Releasing or not releasing is a very, there's a business side to it and everything, and it gets complicated. And as audience, I don't care. I want to hear your music.
So I am doing something right now,
Okay.
and just when you said, I thought I will sing it. I don't know how it's going to come out, but in fact, the lyrics is not finalized, but
Okay.
it is something like this. Now that you said we would like to know what, I just thought I would share it.
It's my day today.
अकेले है तो क्या हुआ? See, I took the wrong key. अकेले है तो क्या हुआ? अकेले है तो क्या हुआ? अकेले है तो क्या हुआ? दिन भी है मेरे और रात भी मेरे, दिन भी है मेरे और रात भी है मेरे, दिन भी है मेरे और रात भी मेरे, और तारे ये सारे साथ हैं, आगे ने है तो क्या हुआ, आगे ने है तो क्या हुआ, something like that.
अकेले हैं तो क्या हुआ,
दिन भी है मेरे, रात भी मेरे, और सारे तारे भी साथ हैं, something like that.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So what is after you've done Rukja? Do we hear something very soon from you? Is there a release coming up?
Yeah, so I'm working on a couple of tracks. There is a track that I made tune for a poem written by a person called Jas Purohit, and it's called Zara Zara, and this song is slightly in production, almost done. We're just finishing the mixing stage, and I'm collaborating with few dancers who are dancing to these songs and sending me videos. So I'm just going to edit or intercut between those dancers and make a video out of it.
So it's getting done right now.
Yeah. Yes.
You artists can do anything. Nothing stops you.
Yeah, nothing should stop.
Lockdown, countrywide, India-wide, wide, nothing.
So when this thing whole lockdown happened, really the fear inside me was that, oh man, I have so many songs which I have not finished. What if I get virus tomorrow? I mean, touch wood, fine, let me be healthy, but you never know. So I just need to record them and put it somewhere so that even if I die, the songs just live and go out.
If the virus gets inside your body, it's going to die its own death. It's not going to survive your madness, Vasu. That's like no virus can survive like this in your body.
Hope so.
Fingers crossed. It's absolutely. Yes. So, greedy soul, what can we hear from you again?
What do you want to hear? What do I want to sing? Okay, yeah. There is another song which I have actually recorded. In fact, the video is also done. That video we had actually shot before the whole lockdown, and it's come out very nice. And it's something that I sing with my wife Bindu, and we both have sung in this song. It is called Nahi Koi Gila. So I will sing that.
Lovely.
Yes. So this is written by a theatre artist and actress, a poet. Her name is Padmavati Rao.
Okay. You collaborate with so many people. Amazing.
Yeah. में हमारे कदम जो रखा तुमने बनाया अपना हमें, जिंदगी में हमारे कदम जो रखा तुमने बनाया अपना हमें, भर दिया चल हमारे खुशियों के तारों से तुमने, मौत भी अब आ जाए तो नहीं कोई गिला, कोई नहीं, नहीं कोई गिला, नहीं कोई गिला, नहीं कोई गिला, नहीं कोई गिला। धड़कनों का है रिश्ता सांसों से तुम्हारी, सपनों का है सहारा ख्वाबों का तुम्हारे, धड़कनों का है रिश्ता सांसों से तुम्हारी, सपनों को है सहारा ख्वाबों का तुम्हारे, हम सफर है हम जन्म जन्म के हाँ कल सुबह आँख ना खुले भी तो क्या नहीं कोई गिला नहीं कोई गिला नहीं कोई गिला नहीं कोई गिला जिंदगी में हमारे कदम जो रखा तुमने बनाया अपना भर दिया चल हमारे खुशियों के तारों से तुमने मौत भी अब आ जाए तो नहीं कोई गिला कोई नहीं नहीं कोई गिला 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 ओ
Is it already there?
It's also not released yet. So I'm singing a lot of unreleased songs for you.
Really, like all our audience is so lucky, and I am personally so lucky. Like that's why I have not heard this.
Yeah.
Try and listen to
So,
it.
like I said, this video is done, but we didn't feel that this was the right time to release a song like this. I mean, so far we thought this is not the right time because it's very in a way romantic, but not like very mushy in that sense. It's a love song. This is probably my first love song that I'm going to release, and so we didn't want to release it at this time. So we thought maybe when things get better, we will. So yes, things are getting better. Let's see how it goes, and then probably it will. The song will be released in another couple of weeks.
Awesome. Now, I'm just watching the clock, and this Instagram closes in an hour. That's such a pain. But so what is it? So one is I want to really request you to sing us a song which is there on your mind, like what you must have. The dearest fondest for you. And one I also being really greedy to hear one. Sur Mera or any of the Swaratma songs, just like totally done before them.
Sure.
Possible? Is it possible to do it, please?
Okay. So Surmera is slightly a longer song, so I don't know if that will fit in that time. That
any other is fine. Because you choose.
yeah.
So there's Ravi. There's request for Ravi. There's a request for Mola.
Oh, Sachin Amre is asking for Mola.
Sachin Amre has been missing you. Thanking you for coming live.
Yes. So I will sing one of Swaratma's song, and then I will sing the song that Sachin is requesting for.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And let me just tell the audience, just in case Instagram tool, which I don't think so, it will be time off, but we will be still live on Facebook. So just immediately switch to that, and Vasu will be there. Okay.
So this one is to all those people who think they are stuck in life in general, and also during this time of lockdown. If you think you're feeling stuck, this song is an answer, probably an answer to your feeling. This one's called Jana Kahan Hai Mujhe. चंदा भी झुकता है धुन मेरी सुनने चंदा भी झुकता है धुन मेरी सुनने, चंदा भी झुकता है धुन मेरी सुनने, तारे भी ठहरे हैं शब्दों को बुनने, तारे भी ठहरे हैं शब्दों को बुनने, जाना कहाँ है मुझे, जाना कहाँ है मुझे, जाना कहाँ है मुझे। रात है गहरी मस्त समा रात है गहरी मस्त समा है, मैं हूँ यहाँ मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है। रात है गहरी मस्त समा है, मैं हूँ यहाँ मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, ढूंढता हूँ जिसे जाने कहाँ है, हर मोड़ पे उसकी परछाइयाँ है, जाना कहाँ है मुझे, जाना कहाँ है मुझे, जाना कहाँ है मुझे। चंदा भी झुकता है दिल मेरी सुनने, चंदा भी झुकता है दिल मेरी सुनने, तारे भी ठहरे शब्दों को बुनने, तारे भी ठहरे शब्दों को बुनने, जाना कहाँ है मुझे, जाना कहाँ है मुझे, जाना कहाँ है मुझे। पूछूं तुझसे क्या खुदा, पूछूं तुझसे क्या खुदा, पास खुद से मैं या जुदा, पूछूं तुझसे क्या खुदा, पास खुद से मैं या जुदा, आज मुझे कुछ पता चला है, हर मोड़ पे उसकी परछाइयाँ है, आगे जाना है मुझे, आगे जाना है मुझे, आगे जाना है मुझे। चंदा भी झुकता है धुन मेरी सुनने, चंदा भी झुकता है धुन मेरी सुनने, तारे भी ठहरे हैं शब्दों को बुनने, तारे भी ठहरे हैं शब्दों को बुनने, जाना कहाँ है मुझे, आगे जाना है मुझे, जाना कहाँ है मुझे, आगे जाना है मुझे।
Indeed, as you rightly said, indeed, it makes so much sense for anybody who feels stuck at any point of time, not just now, but any time. आगे जाना है मुझे. दिल मांगे मोर.
Yes. So this is a song especially for all those who know this song. It's called Mola. Again, this is an unreleased song. So what's happening to me? I'm singing all unreleased new songs. Okay.
Yes, we are the extra lucky people here today.
Sumukh Kashyap.
But your music is safe.
Sing Arivu Beku. Sumukh, I will sing that sometime very soon. I will be doing a lot of live sessions. So please do come there. Today is Sonia special.
No, it's the time. It's really the time that is challenging. We could just sit here online. Yeah.
Sachin, this is for you. Mola, 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 तेरे चरणों में मुझको बना दे मौला, तेरे दिल में मुझे जगा दे मौला, तेरे चरणों में मुझको बना दे मौला, तेरे दिल में मुझे जगा दे, तेरी दासी हूँ, तेरी दासी हूँ, तेरी दासी हूँ मैं, तेरी प्यासी हूँ। मेरे मुस्कुराए तो तू अगर मुस्कुराए तो मेरा दिल खिल उठे, तू अगर मुस्कुराए तो मेरा दिल खिल उठे, और तू हंस दिए तो, और तू हंस दिए तो तेरा दिन बन जाए मौला, अब तू मुझे ले ले, तेरी बाहों में बसा ले, अब तू मुझे ले ले, तेरी बाहों में बसा ले, कब से खड़ी हूँ तेरे द्वार पे अकेले मौला, मौला, तेरे चरणों में मुझको बना दे मौला, तेरे दिल में मुझे जगा दे मौला, तेरे चरणों में मुझको बना दे मौला, तेरे दिल में मुझे जगा दे, तेरी दासी हूँ, तेरी दासी हूँ, तेरी दासी हूँ मैं, तेरी प्यासी हूँ। मेरे मौला, मेरे मौला, मौला, मेरे मौला, मौला, मेरे मौला,
So we are now only on Facebook, and we had to unfortunately,
So we finished 1 hour.
yes, and
Your your time's up, Sonia ji.
no, that's
आपने
never going to happen.
आपने 45 मिनट का टाइम दिया था, हमने दे दिया आपको 15 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा फ्री।
ये तो मैं लेती ही रहूंगी जब तक आप जिंदा रहोगे और मैं जिंदा
आप तो
रहूंगी।
हमारी लेती रहेंगी, आप क्या करें।
ऐसे वैसे वैसे ऐसे सब कुछ, बट हमारे बेचारे सचिन जी का गाना अधूरा रह गया। ही वाज लिसनिंग एंड ही आई होप ही जॉइन ऑन फेसबुक, बट आई होप यू रेड।
उनका फोन नंबर हमारे पास है, हम उनको डायरेक्टली फोन करके गा लेंगे,
सुना देंगे बिल्कुल। जय बात, वेरी गुड। So here on Facebook, Rohini ji saying hello to you from NIT.
Okay.
And I think
NIT,
NID, the NID, where they
okay.
they tried to teach you something, but they really failed.
Actually, NID tries to make you unlearn. Yeah, NID doesn't teach anything.
That. Sorry. Correction. Yes. So
Yes.
where you unlearned what you knew till then. So
Yeah,
from
because
that institute.
it broke a lot of things that I thought are what it's supposed to be. So I learned a lot of things by breaking my learnings. So that ways, I think, though like I studied filmmaking from NID, but I'm doing music. It helped me choose what I really want to do.
Yeah. And that's such a big one because so many of us just continue doing what, let's say you picked it up at some point, and so you think that karna padega, now that you picked it up, now you got to drive that forward. Or you don't even know, you don't really even know. It takes a whole lot for a lot of people to know what they really want to spend time and their life doing that. So I mean, just being clear that you wanted to pursue in spite of so many things that you're so good at, that's, you got lucky.
Or you should be clear that you are very unclear like me, because right now I'm doing music and I'm enjoying. Maybe I don't know, maybe
कल का
after
पता
a
नहीं.
year or two I might stop doing it and I might go back to painting or filmmaking or
Yeah.
just open a chai shop and hope to become the prime minister of the country.
That's the route. That's now the new route. That one.
Yes.
Lovely. Vasu can't have enough of you, and you know that. But it's seriously an honor that you came on such a small project that we have. We're such a small community, Match My Talent, and Maitri project is such a small
You are
हमारा अपना initiative है.
बहुत
But
humble हो रही
नहीं, humble की बात ही नहीं है, सच में. It's like nobody knows us, nothing, but like you took our time and you came, and you don't do so many live shows and stuff, but you came. It really matters a lot to everybody at
so
Match My Talent. Thank you.
And whatever you are doing with Match My Talent is a great thing for all the artists. So all artists who are watching this, please do go and make your profile on Match My Talent, because they're doing excellent job in matching my talent with yours.
Well, what we're just trying to do is map the country and reach out to performing artists and make finding them easier. So, like we always felt that we know only the artist in a network, and it takes a long time to find people over and beyond the network and grow the network. And I just feel कि बहुत छोटी सी जिंदगी है, इसमें इतना क्या ढूंढना मुश्किल हो जाना चाहिए कि पूरी जिंदगी, like it's just so whatever can be made easy on the discovery path. That's our pursuit at Match My Talent. If you're looking for art, for artists, for music, it should just become easier. So we should spend more time soaking it in and meeting each other rather than just feeling कि है ही नहीं या मुझे पता नहीं है तो मैं क्या करूं. That's the idea.
Yes. Great.
Lovely. So Vasu, we are going to get you back one of the other days later at some point again. The Maitri project and Match My Talent is not going to leave you with just this one. But really, thank you so much for today.
Thank you, Sonia, and thanks for all the people who've been watching. And even though it's late weekend evening, you still here and you watched me. So thank you so much. Thanks to Maitri Project and Match My Talent. And of course, Sonia Choksey.
ये बस वही सुनने का वेट कर रही थी मैं.
मतलब
Thank you.
आपको हम रोज याद करते हैं.
बता दो अब. You can't be saying this nicely. हाँ, just go ahead.
हाँ, रोज खाना बनाते हैं तो उसमें चोक डालते हैं ना, तो चोक्सी.
I'll tell my aunt.
और ये चोक एक चोक नहीं, ये एक जोक था.
ये बहुत ही चोकिंग जोक था जो मेरे को चोक कर गया, मेरे गले में चोक कर गया. एंड आई विल टेल माय हस्बैंड बिकॉज दिस चोक्सी आई गेट फ्रॉम हिम. आई विल इन्फॉर्म ऑफ दिस डेवलपमेंट इन माय लाइफ.
Sure.
Thank you. Give a love to Bindu.
Yes,
and
I
see you
will.
soon. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you everybody for watching us, and contact Vasu on his YouTube group channel by his name. He's absolutely there. And on Facebook and Instagram, his handles are pretty much by his name, Vasu Dikshit, one word.
My handles.
Yes, your muscles. And yes, I noticed. So all of you, I wouldn't name you, but people from the industry, my friends from event industry and from the music fraternity, thank you for coming. Thank you for hanging on, even though we're late. I'm sure you enjoyed, and that's why you're hanging in here. So please contact Vasu. You've heard the music. He's absolutely open to collaborations, as you saw, the various kinds of collaborations he keeps doing. And more about him, we'll be happy to share. He also has a profile on Match My Talent. There's more written about him. You can go refer there anywhere. Just reach out to him and create music. Great. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Shubh Ratri. Bye-bye.
Bye.